guided by ancient wisdom. Morning light filtered softly through the forest canopy as Terra stepped onto the narrow path. The earth was cool, and the air carried a gentle murmur of awakening life. She carried only a basket, a small knife, and the knowledge that was passed through generations of herbal keepers. Today, she was gathering plants that offered balance and quiet to the mind. The first plant she met was St. John's Wort, its golden blossoms catching the morning light like scattered drops of sunshine. Herbalists have long valued it for its uplifting effect on the nervous system. Terra knelt down among the blossoms. "Thank you for your light," she whispered, clipping a few flowers and placing them gently in her basket. Further along, she discovered lemon balm, its soft leaves releasing a delicate citrus fragrance. Known for calming the heart and quieting restless thoughts, it slipped into her basket with a promise of peace. "This one carries gentle calm," she said softly. Near the old spruce trees, she found skullcap, humble and serene. Herbalists call it a nervine, a plant that soothes anxiety and supports inner stillness. Into the basket it went. Chamomile followed, tiny white blossoms like scattered stars, centuries-old companions for sleepless nights and frayed nerves. At the edge of the sunlit clearing, she dug carefully for ashwagandha root. Ancient and grounding, it teaches the body and mind to meet stress without breaking. Into the basket, it joined the others, a fragrant bundle of medicine. Back in her warm wooden kitchen, Terra spreads the herbs across the table. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating each plant like forest treasures. She touches the lemon balm, inhaling its soft citrus calm. She cradles the skullcap, feeling its gentle stillness. She admires the tiny white chamomile blossoms, each a quiet star. Golden St. John's Wort catches the sunlight in its petals, a drop of warmth in her hands. And the ashwagandha root, earthy and grounding, reminds her of the resilience of the forest itself. Carefully she gathers them together, letting the scents and textures mingle. In this quiet, Terra feels the forest and the earth merge in a single, soothing presence. "This is where the forest becomes medicine," she whispers, smiling at the sunlight dancing across the herbs. Later, she places the gathered blend into a dark amber jar, labeling it simply, "Nature's Calm." Not a recipe, not a potion to follow, just a reminder that sometimes the gentlest medicine comes from slowing down and listening to the forest.